We made it back.
So, how's your little road trip?
Can we eat now?
James! Oh, that's fine.
I don't know why. So Miss Hayes brought only one restaurant over here to get them cut.
Are you serious?
We ordered zero. The bathroom is absolutely okay. Did you all use that? I was the only one that went. He went. I walked in and walked right out. I have a bag of chips. I went. Gabby went too. As soon as Miss Hayes gets this,
How?
When did she leave?
Just like maybe 20,
10 minutes ago.
10, 15 minutes ago.
Ask
No.
yeah.
Friday, Monday, Tuesday.
It's only Monday.
I think.
It's only Monday, yeah.
I'm not coming in for like the whole week. Let me see how Nicole's
Except for
doing.
Friday, because field day.
It's field day. We have a barbecue. Oh, and then we have prom.
Oh, Friday is barbecue.
What?
He's coming Friday.
You gonna hit me, huh?
The day after prom.
Yes! Prom! Prom!
You're junior?
Yeah.
Oh, that's You're a junior? I thought you were a senior.
I thought you were a senior. What?
I'm young. I'm 17.
Are you guys going back down or
No.
staying?
We're waiting for food.
Yes! We're hungry!
Oh, she's back. Hey!
Hey! You're back! Wait, where is she? Shit. Where? You're back! You're back! We're hungry as shit!
You know, this is a great trip when you want to go back to school, right?
I missed the bus. Just give me her. She's 18. Just give her because the bus was only at the end. I'm like,
So they're filming a movie, and Jessica Biel is there.
you got rejected.
Yeah, I know.
pretty
Jessica
rejected
Biel was
there.
near
Oh my
your
God.
sandwiches.
Boyfriend said,
Oh, I see how it is, Steve.
What is that?
Okay.
Where were you? I know where you were.
They sent us this. So I went and got the heroes this morning, and they didn't cut them. So I just had to go to a restaurant on the corner. And
Wow!
And first I said, could I borrow a knife? And they looked at me. I'm like, or is there a place I could buy one?
What?
And the guy's like,
It's
all right, I definitely can't lend you
I
a
don't
knife, but I can cut them for you if you want to bring them back.
They can't trust me.